About a 30-minute bus ride from Nongping. This is the Puiwu beach. This beach is just absolutely beautiful. It's pristine, it's clear. On three sides, it's surrounded by lush green mountains, and it does not even seem like Hong Kong. I mean, I feel like I'm in Mauritius or Hawaii or somewhere else. This is just incredibly beautiful, as you can see behind me. My god, this place is even better than the last one. Come on. I mean, for the past 2-3 hours, I've totally forgotten that I am in Hong Kong. This seems so different from what we have known Hong Kong to be. The concrete skyscrapers, malls, extravagant buildings, and all that. And look at this. If you love nature, if you what can I say? If you are coming to Tiantan Buddha, if you are, taking that cable car and everything, then please take a few hours and come to these beaches on Lantau Island. This is the Silvermine Beach behind me. It's totally worth it. So that was the Silvermine waterfall back there. There's not much water right now. Maybe it's because it hasn't rained in the last couple of weeks. But it was a good hike till here. It's about 20 minutes of walking distance from the Silvermine Bay Beach. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know that I like hiking and trekking a lot. I hiked the entire Victoria's Peak up and down Llamas Island. Multiple hiking trails there as well. If I had more days to spend in Hong Kong, I definitely would have spent an entire day hiking through this, hiking throughout this island. But no worries, I'll be back. And just as I was talking about hiking and trekking, I just came across this new signage as well. There is a Hong Kong Olympic Trail. It turns out Beijing 2008 Olympic Games Chinese gold medalist, I think they ran through this trail, I presume. Now I'm heading back to the Mui Wu ferry terminal. It's located very close to the Silvermine Bay Beach, about a 5 minutes walk. From there I'll be taking the ferry directly to Hong Kong Central. I believe it's much better way than waiting for a bus and then going to Tung Chung and taking an MTR and doing all that. As I was walking towards Silvermine Bay Beach, I came across various signages which entails there are multiple hiking trails all across Lantau Island. There is a Silvermine Cave, there is a Pearl Waterfall close by. Basically, there are just multiple hiking trails across this Lantau Island. definitely, if I had more time on my hand, if I had an extra day in Hong Kong, I definitely would have spent it, here hiking and exploring Lantau Island. The ferry from Mui Wo ferry terminal to Hong Kong Central, it lasted about 30 minutes. I had taken the fast ferry, which cost me 34 Hong Kong dollars. There are different types of ferries. I think the ordinary one, the fare for that is 17 Hong Kong dollars. Since I had last eaten in the afternoon, I was really famished. So I visited this dim sum place, Ding Dim Sum, which is located about 20 minutes of walking distance from Hong Kong Central. It was highly rated, and the dim sum that I had, both of them, they were really, really good. So I highly recommend that place. And now I want to try more food. So I'm just gonna walk around and see what else I can find. After trying some delicious street food in Hong Kong Central, I wanted to try Dai Pai Dongs. Ever since I've been researching about Hong Kong, I've been hearing about Dai Pai Dongs and how they are the traditional street hawkers in Hong Kong. But unfortunately, for the past 5 days, I haven't been able to catch up with them. Fortunately, today I got to visit one of them. The name of the Dai Pai Dong in near Jordan is Wo Sung Temporary Hawker Center. The food was really delicious, and overall it was a really nice experience. My whole day was fantastic. Lantau Island is something else. I mean, I did not expect it to be so beautiful. People always limit themselves to Tian Tan Buddha and Polin Monastery, but I think there is another face of Lantau Island which is still undiscovered. At least I couldn't find it on internet when I was researching about it. On my next trip to Hong Kong, definitely I'm going to spend one entire day in Lantau Island, maybe 2 days if I can find an accommodation there. Tomorrow being my last day in Hong Kong, I'll be visiting the wet markets. I'll be doing some local sightseeing in Kowloon area itself. As I conclude my Hong Kong and Macau journey tomorrow, that is by tomorrow end of the day, I'll be heading back to the airport. I'll be sharing my honest review based on my experience over the past 7 days. So please do not miss it. I'll be mentioning all the learnings that I had over the past 7 days, and hopefully you won't commit the same mistakes that I did. And overall, I hope you benefit from my experience. If you like today's video, please do like and subscribe. And if you have any feedback for me, please do mention in the comments below. Additionally, if you have any questions related to budget or itinerary or anything in between, please do mention in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you had a wonderful day as well. I wish you Godspeed and thanks for watching.